Hello friends, welcome to Quick Clear. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to use fillet and chamfer commands. So in this tutorial, I'm using AutoCAD 2022 version, but the procedure will be the same if you are using latest versions of AutoCAD. So the first thing what you are going to do, let us draw a simple rectangle. Let us go to rectangle command and let us draw it like this. So the first command we'll see will be the fillet. So let us choose fillet, or you can go here and write the fillet command here. Then you'll choose here from the command line. So as just shown here from the command line, it says fillet select first object like or radius trim like that. So what you are going to do, you have to choose radius of the chamfer. Radius of this fillet. So you have to choose radius. Then it says fillet specify first radius point. So I want it to be 20 mm. So I'll enter it. It is 20 mm. It is considered here already by default. And then after that, choose this one and choose this one. So as it is shown here, it is filleting this object with 20 mm radius. 20 mm radius. If you check in this dimension, you'll find that this area has 20 mm radius as it is shown here. So next, what you are going to do, just let us go for the next command, which is chamfer. You can write chamfer here, otherwise go here from the ribbon and go for chamfer here. Then after this, the command line says select the first line or this polyline distance angle. It says so go for distance here. Click there. Distance, then specify the distance. Assume I want 30 mm. Then write the distance you want. The distance means from this end point to this side, and from this end point to the other side, the horizontal and vertical. How much you want the chamfer should start. So what you are going to do, I chosen 30, so enter. Then after that, specify the second point. You see there is one point here, there is another point. There are two sides, so the second you have to choose the second chamfer distance. So the same 30, so enter. Then after that, go here, choose the first one and choose the second one. As this shown here, it is chamfered. So you can use this method to chamfer and at the same time to fillet objects. So if you measure this distance, you can also, if you measure from here to here, see, it is like 30. And at the same time, if you measure from here to here, it is like from here to here, it is like 30. So this is how to chamfer and fillet, how to use fillet and chamfer commands. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.